about us. So one thing that a lot of companies don't see or don't realize is working together like a big family actually is the difference maker. The minute you start treating people like numbers or they're invaluable is the minute your company has lost a grip on who it is. We have been so fortunate to attract the people that we have working here with us. This family has, like, everybody can get everybody's back. Everybody knows what everybody's responsibility is, but at the same time, they're willing to help out if they see their friend drowning. It's not easy to always have to sit there and worry about different things, but at the end of the day, you know that this person is going to take care of it. And we have been so fortunate with the amount of people and the type of people we attract. We have a core value system on our wall that we hire. That's our hiring guideline. Our core values at Dalinghaus Construction are: we are a part of a team. We are always going to do the right thing. We're going to own it. We're never going to settle. Like, you have to commit to these 4 core values, not only as a work profession, but in your daily life. And that's the biggest thing, is people think they want to act one way at work and not outside of work, but it has so much reflection on who that person is and how much you can actually help, not just within your company, but throughout the entire community that you live in. That's what we hire people off of. That's how we promote people within the company, is, are you doing these 4 things? As well as, obviously, your job correctly, but character is worth so much more than productivity. I'd rather have 100 like-minded good people than the one asshole that is really good at his job. Because it's not a family, it's not a team, and all it is a cancer. And that's one of the biggest things that people really need to start look at, is if I was at work, would I be acting the same way? Would I be doing the same things? Would I be treating this person the same way or saying this? And that's one of the big things, is to always be who you are. And it's been really nice. Like I said, you can walk into our company and you're gonna get greeted. You're gonna probably become friends within 30 seconds of talking to people within our company. And it makes your work environment that much more fun and rewarding. So I would strongly recommend to any business owner, any upper management, any hiring HR department, hire for core values. Don't hire on experience. Don't hire on what a resume says. You're always going to train somebody how to do something your way anyway. But if they have the core value and the mindset to fit your company, it's going to make a whirlwind of difference.